Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm back on the garage conversion. It's a bit miserable to do gardening today, so I'm working inside on the garage conversion, and I'll take you upstairs and show you exactly what I'm doing in a minute. But in this video I've got some interesting and quite exciting news about a discount code specifically for Mark's House and Garden UK viewers. Now this is insulation board, and I'm cutting it specifically to go between the rafters in the loft. The loft here is going to be my office. Down here is going to be a bedroom suite with an ensuite, and I'm doing it all myself and I'm sharing it on YouTube. I'm learning a lot. Now I've been using a company called Materials Market to buy things like this insulation board. Another day I thought it would be a good idea if I wrote to them and asked if I could get a discount code for you, my viewers. And they've written back, and happily they've given us a unique discount code for Mark's House and Garden UK viewers. So I'll tell you a little bit more about that discount code in a moment. By the way, I'm kneeling on a board here to stop my knobbly knees from denting and compressing this board. When you're cutting this, by the way, it's important to try and cut it nice and square. So I'm keeping my eye above the saw and I'm doing it carefully. And my skills are developing. Each time I do one of these, it just gets better and better. I'm going to take you upstairs in a moment and see how this will fit between the rafters. Now I've got a good square edge there, but I'm just going to rub it on this concrete floor and it'll just smooth it off. Let's go upstairs. So this piece has been measured specifically to go here in between these rafters up there, and it's important that it's quite snug, and that's why I'm having to give it a bit of a push. Now I've been measuring between these rafters with this laser device, and it gives me a specific and exact measurement, so I recommend one of those, and that will go in there. And as you can see, I've done the rest of the ceiling here. I've used this foil tape which acts as a vapor barrier. Now just want to get back to this discount code from Materials Market. Now I'm pretty sure there isn't a lot of margin in things like this when you're selling online, so I think any discount from any supplier is a good thing. And Materials Market have given us 5% off your first order. So obviously they want you to go to their website and have a look. Let me tell you why I've been using Materials Market. Number one, they were recommended to me by my neighbour. And I'm also recommending them to you because my experience with Materials Market has been excellent. They've had good value products on their website and they've delivered them very quickly. And the people that deliver them have helped me unload them and put them where I needed them. So I'm recommending Materials Market. Having said that, they've also given me an affiliate link. So if you go through my affiliate link, I will earn a commission when you place your first order. So it's important for transparency that you know that. Now you will get 5% off your first order if you use my specific discount code. I'm going to put the discount code in the description box below this video. I would suggest that you copy and paste it rather than type it. If you type it, you might get it wrong. 5% off your first order. So my tip would be to make your order a big one, because when you're getting a percentage discount, the bigger the order, the bigger the discount. And it can make a big difference, especially when you're doing a big DIY project like this. That is going to go up in between these two rafters. And I'm doing all this with building regulations approval. So they've told me exactly what to do and how to do it. And I will be doing a specific video on how to insulate what they call a cold roof. Why is it called a cold roof? Well, because the insulation is on the inside of the roof, which means that the roof is cold. So there are other techniques where the insulation sits on the outside of the roof, and that's known as a warm roof. That's by the by. Have a look at Materials Market. Use the discount code and get ordering if you don't mind. I found them very, very helpful and very useful and very efficient, and so I could recommend them to you. The discount code is in the description box below this video. I'll see you soon for some more house and garden adventures. Bye for now.